Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. Thank you for clicking on this video, it means a lot. As you can tell by the title and my computer background, today's video is actually going to be a Boo Avenue unboxing. Now, if you didn't see the vlog where I kind of opened my first package and let you guys know that I am now a Boo Avenue student ambassador, then you won't know. Now you do, or you would have known if you followed me on Instagram, because I'm posting a lot over there, so make sure you do follow me on Instagram. I do post quite frequently, and there's outfit pictures, there's bits of makeup, there's lingerie, there's all kinds of stuff. But I thought that I would show you guys what I've actually got from Boo Avenue so far. So it is today, the day I'm filming this is the 12th of November. And I've not long received my November box. So as a student ambassador for Boo Avenue, I get a box of goodies every month that then relates to my discount code. So my discount code is always in the description of my videos, and it'll tell you like what the discount is for that month. And for the month of November, it is 20% off nightwear. So that's pajamas, dressing gowns, my little cami sets, onesies, slippers, loads of different things like this, bodysuits, all sorts of stuff. So definitely check the website out. But I'm going to show you what I've actually got from Boo Avenue so far, and then unbox my November box with you guys. So I'm going to start off with the first thing that I actually ever got, and this was when I went in for my bra fitting in my local store, which is Cardiff, and that is the store that I am a student ambassador for. So this bra is the Naomi bra. It's got a decent amount of padding in it. It's definitely like a plunge push-up bra. And this fits me really nicely. It's got like black lace detail over here, black mesh on the sides, and then a little bow in the middle. And I don't know whether you can see, it's kind of black mesh all over the pink. I really like this bra. Like I said, this is, I'm pretty sure, the Naomi bra, and this is £30. I always get thongs just because I much prefer them to briefs most of the time, like bigger ones. Postman. Same lace, same bow, same mesh, and I'm pretty sure these are £14. Then after I received that, I actually had a big welcome box package thing, which if you watched the vlog you would have seen me kind of go through it and my reaction to when I opened it, so I will link that vlog down below. So in that massive box I received, I did receive another bra and thong set, and this is the Georgina bra. Quite similar to the other one, but this doesn't have like mesh. It's got satin panels and then black lace around it again. I just think this one is absolutely stunning. I love anything that's satin. I think it's gorgeous. I think it's really sexy. And I love this really pale like nude pink colour. The other one's definitely a bit more like baby pink, whereas this one's very like champagne-y pink. But this is the bra again, straps and then black mesh for the sides. And this Georgina satin plunge bra was £34. And then again, to go with that bra, I had the matching thong, which looks like this. So the Georgina satin thong, and this was £15. And I'm pretty sure these might come under the nightwear section, so double check. So these are the ivory knitted fluffy lined calf sock, and they've got like the sticky little things on the bottom so that they're slipper socks. Obviously it's a little bit of a grip. But these are so cute. I absolutely love them. They've got little pom-poms and they're so fluffy inside. These are perfect for autumn and winter. The next things in the box that I received from Boo Avenue was a 3-piece set. Now I didn't actually realise this. I thought that the jacket came separately, so I couldn't find it on their website, but then found out that it actually comes in a 3-piece set, so you buy all 3 together. So the first thing is this super cozy, super fluffy white cream jacket. It's got a hood. It's a long sleeve jacket with just cuffed sleeves. It's got little pom-poms on the side, and I got this in a size 10. But the next thing from the 3-piece set are the pajama bottoms. Now these are so cute. I've never been a massive fan of pink, but I'm definitely getting more into it, especially now that I'm receiving all these goodies, and the pink is just so cute that I can't resist. So this is pink, white and like a navy blue long pajama bottoms with a pink ribbon that you can tie, and the waist is elasticated as well, and these are like a perfect length on me. And then the last thing, also in a size 10, is literally a simple pink vest top to go with the pajama bottoms. It's got some cute lace all around the edges. It's a nice ribbed fabric, so it's really stretchy, really comfortable, and easy to just chuck on. And then obviously if you get cold, you can chuck the jacket on the top, and that's so fluffy. And it's a really cute set. So altogether for those 3 items, that's £40, which I don't think is bad at all. And then I think this was the last thing in the first big box I received. But I have been wearing this non-stop. I've never been a nighty person. I don't really wear pyjamas to bed. I'd wear them to lounge around in the house and like in the evening. But I get quite warm when I'm in bed, so I'll either sleep like with nothing or like a t-shirt and some underwear. But I've been wearing this so much. It does need to go in the wash, to be honest. I might pop it in the wash after this because I've been wearing it for a couple of days. But it's this tea dress, like a nighty kind of thing. It's so soft, like so soft, really stretchy, really baggy. Again, oh, this is in a medium. I was gonna say again it's in a 10, but this is a size medium. It's got long sleeves, and I love the fact it says rather be in bed, because that is always where I would rather be, in bed. But then it's literally just a long dress thing, but it's just so comfy and so soft, and I just chuck this on like every evening, and then I do tend to go to bed in it. If I'm too warm, I'll just take it off and put it by the side. Again with the banging, I'm trying to film. Can you hear that? Jesus fucking Christ. I'm so sorry if you can't hear it, but I'm just gonna have to keep on talking. Oh my god. Kind of campaigns. Shut up! For the Halloween kind of pictures, I don't know whether you follow me on Instagram, you might have seen I posted a photo in this, and a lot of the other ambassadors chose different items. I chose this velvet lace strapless long line bra. How gorgeous is this? This is like a really dark but rich green colour, and for this is only £36, which I think is insane. And this is so structured with the boning, and this has 3 big hooks. Is that 3? Yeah, 3 big hooks. But this is just absolutely gorgeous. Like, I'd be happy to actually wear this as a like a bralette on a night out with a black blazer on the top or something. I think it's stunning. So I have like opened the top of it, but I haven't gone through it and like seen what the things are. So I did choose obviously what is in here, but I thought I would just unbox it with you and get my reaction on camera. So everything's always packaged in a really cute tissue paper. It looks like inside. And the first item is, what is this? Oh, this is the satin pyjama set. Oh my god, it feels amazing. This is, oh shit. I'm thinking now this is like the cutest pyjama set ever, but it's like white, and I don't think this is going to stay clean for very long. So this is the top. How pretty. Oh, there's like, they put like little petals in there, which is cute, but they're kind of getting everywhere. So what is this? Cream contrast piping, Revere and short. Okay, I don't know. Again, I got these in a UK 10, and then it comes with adorable little shorts. I think I'm more of a shorts person than long pyjamas, for mainly pyjama like sets, but in like winter and stuff I do like long pyjamas. And then it comes with these cute little shorts as well with the same black piping. The next thing, I don't think I chose this. I think they popped it in instead of like a hat and scarf or something. But it's pyjamas in a bag. Never had pyjamas in a bag before, but this is really soft. So it's got buttons to undo it. Oh, that's quite cute. And then you take them out of the bag. And what have we got here? Okay, it's another long pyjama set. Oh, that is actually really cute. They're like little snowflakes. So it's a baby pink with like dark grey and light grey snowflakes all over it. How cute is that? So another button up long sleeve. This material is really soft. It's definitely a lot thicker, but like the cotton is really soft on it. And then it also comes with some long pyjama bottoms. They have an elasticated waist again. They don't have any strings on it though. Again in a size 10. And then they just go all the way down at the bottom. The next thing that I'm so excited about, they actually kindly said that we could choose some eyeliner lashes, so I chose the dramatic ones because obviously they look like this. I'm so excited to try these. These would look amazing with like a proper bold eye look. And then the star of the show is this dressing gown. Now I already have 3 fluffy dressing gowns and 2 satin robe dressing gowns. I didn't really need another one, but I kind of did, so I got another one. Oh my god, this is huge. Jesus Christ. Oh, okay. I wasn't expecting it. Oh, it's long. No way. I forgot. Oh my god, guys, this is so soft. I think this is called the Frosted Deer like dressing gown, so it's kind of got like a deer kind of print on it, but it's like a really light grey, and then it's got light brown and cream kind of dots all the way through. How gorgeous is that? Got this in a medium. I wasn't expecting it to be like huge, but oh my god, this is literally like going to be nearly down to the floor. Massive sleeves, massive hood. I'm not going to put it on now because I'm going to ruin my hair. This is so soft, and it obviously comes with a tie waist. Does it have pockets? It has pockets. That is the main thing. Oh my god, it's so soft, guys. Okay, you need to get that dressing gown, and I'm pretty sure my code will definitely work on that, so get it. You need it. That is the nicest dressing gown I've ever seen or laid my hands on. Laid my eyes, laid my hands, I don't even know. Anyway, yeah, I'll link everything that I can find in the description below. A lot of obviously the pyjama sets, the dressing gown, and the 3-piece set will be for this month's code, as it is for nightwear. But a lot of the underwear sets won't be with that code, so just stay tuned to see what every month's discount is for. My code doesn't change, it's still fern.roberts20, but it changes what it works on every month. Definitely stay tuned and let me know whether you want to kind of see me unbox every month's box. That would be super fun, and obviously you guys would really help me out if you did use my code. These are perfect for Christmas gifts now. Obviously it's coming up to Christmas. If anyone has birthdays, like, I just love everything from BOUX Avenue. Is such good quality, and I'm like so grateful to like be a part of this student ambassador scheme, because technically I could win a prize at the end of this next year, and I think it's like the student ambassador that has their code used quite a lot. If you guys do want to pick anything up from the website, go and check it out, and if you can use my code, definitely do. It would mean a lot to me. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. If you did enjoy this video, please smash that thumbs up button to let me know. It would help me out a lot. And if you aren't subscribed, why? I'm kidding, it's a little bit forward. But if you aren't subscribed, it would mean the world to me if you could go down below, click that subscribe button, join the little family, and get me to 2k, because that would be super exciting by the end of the year. Leave me some suggestions of videos that you'd like me to film in the future. I'm thinking of doing a kind of get ready with me and testing out new products soon, because I placed an order for some makeup. Couldn't help myself. Thank you all for watching. I love you lots, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys. Okay, this dressing gown is the softest thing in the world. I am obsessed with this. Oh my god, guys, buy it. You need this in your life, guys and girls.